How can you find all Wi-Fi password with just one command? In order to find all the Wi-Fi password of the network that you're connected to, first of all, go to command prompt. In the search bar, type CMD and make sure to run it as administrator right here. Click on it. And after that, type in the command prompt what I type. NETSH space WLAN space show space profile. Click on enter. This command will list every Wi-Fi profile that you have ever connected to. And after you do that, type another command. NETSH space WLAN space export space profile space folder is equals to C:\/ space key equals to clear. Click on enter. So this command right here that we just typed works to show the password of all the network that we are connected to. And right here you can see that the networks that we're connected to is saved in the C drive as a .xml file. So go to your file explorer and go to your C drive. Now you can see all of the networks right here. Now what you want to do is right click on it, go to open with and click on notepad. Now right here you can see the encryption key, password of the Wi-Fi network that you are connected to. And so this is the network password of the network that you are connected to. So that's how we do it. That's how you find all Wi-Fi password with just 2 commands. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.